Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to turn on dark mode in your Reddit account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Reddit account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Reddit app. Here I go. At the top right corner, you can see your profile. Tap on that. You can see different options here. Tap on that settings, which is given at the bottom. Now you can see there are different options. Scroll down, you will be seeing their dark mode option. Tap on that dark mode. You can see that I have easily turned on dark mode in Reddit account. In this way, you can apply dark mode in your Reddit account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.